What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Toyota Landcruiser crawler type of build. So you don't really see these much around, but these are like a really classic type of like truck. I would call it a truck. So let's just go ahead and buy it. Bam. Load. Dude, why is it loading so slow? There we go. Upgrades. Change. Oh wait, I clicked upgrades. Upgrades. Engine power. Max that out. Bam. Grip. Weight. Maxed out. Diesel. Yeah. Just for the extra horsepower. Durability, yep. Got that. E-brake, bam. Turbo, full turbo build. Set out that. Tin suspension. We're gonna go with the heavy duty solid axle pro. Or, yeah, heavy duty. Bam. Okay. Solid axle pro, heavy duty, install. Okay, tin suspension, travel. Oh, let's max this out real quick. Now, we should, like I do for all, well, you guys don't know, but like I do for all, like, crawler builds, I max out the travel, and the stiffness goes down, like, a lot. So, oh wait, that's fine. I mean, yeah, let's put this down a little bit. Bam. Stiffness is going to be like a 13,000. Front and rear. Let's put that 16. Okay, 15,000. Yeah, let's go with the 15. But then this is gonna be a 13. Shocks, shock size. I mean, I like the blue because it matches the blue on the solid axle pro. Bam. See, like in the front. It's basically the same though. Yeah, that's good. Shock size like a. Oh yeah, 2.2. Wait, why is it looking... There we go. Axis width, 0.5. Front and rear. Okay. Wheels and tires, max this out. Bam. I don't really know about like the radius. Maybe like a 1.2 or something. 1.3, like a tick down from 1.3. We're gonna do a gear tune. Should be. I mean, low gear, we're gonna definitely like a 2.2 or 3. 2, 3, bam. Now let's go back to the wheel radius. So let's just check this out real quick. Let's see what like fits the truck properly. Yeah, real radius is a 4. Real width is going to be like a real width, yeah, 1.5. Yeah, a 1.5. Okay. That, I mean, yeah. Let's go to the body customization now. Customize body. Should we go flatbed? Flat, no. I'm gonna go with the regular. Snorkel, definitely. Like, I usually like this one. No. Tire, no. That is a long bed. We don't need a hood stack would be cool. Okay. So let's do a front top lights. Yeah, that's cool. A winch, yes. Let's look at the front bumpers now. Oh wait, there's no front bumpers. Or rears. Repair pack, yeah. Paint. I think we should go with like a orange glossy, yeah. Yeah, that's good. I wish I could change the top though to like a black or something. Rims. A rim type would be this type, I guess. It's just my cat there being so annoying. Ruining this. I'll get back with you guys whenever I get him out. Okay, we're back. Gotta get that pesky little annoying. Oops. I wanna do the. I can't breathe right now. Let's black that out. Let's get that like a grayish. Bead. Metallic, chrome. Dude, why is it always... No, matte. A matte would be good. Maybe we should change the rims. I like... Those really suit it, though. These ones, definitely, yeah. Oops. Beadlock. Bam. I don't know about the beadlocks like that. Well, I mean, that's fine, I guess. Body. Let's go back to the exhaust pipes. Oh yeah, I already got that hood stack, that's right. Okay. Tires. Let's definitely get some, rock climbing tires. What are the best? I think those are the best ones, cause like right on the, to the right there. Yeah, that's fine. Bam, 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 bam. There we go. Wait, I wonder if you can do the, oh, you can't do those fenders. Whatever they're called. Fenders. I don't know. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Well, apply mods. Let's turn on the lights, see how they look. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's a pretty cool looking build. I wouldn't say. I mean, well, I would say, cause you know I built it, so yeah. Let's try to get some vinyls on here, like some decals or something. Let's go to splatters. There's like nothing here. There's nothing good. Oh, and about that update, yeah, I can't wait for those tow mirrors to come. Like all those other YouTubers are talking about, like freaking tow mirrors, boats, boat trailers. It's gonna be so fun. And then they should add like a. I'm thinking they should add like a dirt bike track or something like, because we need a dirt bike track or like a quad map or like a whole mud map that's like it's like for muddy. Oops. So I don't think we should do anything for the vinyls. I might start with my own like a what's it called, a sticker for like my YouTube channel. So I might do like a square or like a circle or something. I might do a circle. Let's see how that looks. Because this might be like my original sign that I use for like my whole YouTube channel. Maybe we should just put AG. Bam. Let's black that out. Bop. Okay, custom text. What should we do? I think the sticker looks cool. Like a this one, this font. AG. AG is good. Because, you know, Aspect Gaming. And I will put a link on my main account in the for my main account in the description. So just go check in the description and I'll get to a link for my YouTube what's it called? My original YouTube account. That's how you say it. Okay. And then I'm gonna post like other types of games on that like channel. So I think that orange looks good with that vinyl. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, well, let's go try it out on like a, well, I don't know if we should, yeah, let's try it out. Single player, custom, let's go to Rock Park. That'll be quick. Load in here real quick. I'm gonna use tab to collect. I'm tapping it. Okay. Not funny. So, oh, and I also created a new intro, which I will be putting in the video. So, yeah. Come on, load. Why is it taking forever? Poop. Man, come on. I don't have all day. This is going to be a long video. Well, not exactly. I'm going to probably play in this rock park for a little bit, and then I'm going to end the video there. Yeah, so, new intro. Yeah. I'll get back with you guys whenever it loads in. Okay, we're loaded back into the game. So this is, dang, this has some torque. So this is the vehicle. Let me show it off a little bit. Okay. I like how I did this. Here, let me just pop out the drone. Okay. Oops. Dang it. Okay. I love, like, how I got this color. Like, I like the orange with it. The orange matches, the glossy orange matches this truck. Just saying. Okay. Let's take this bad boy for a test drive. Yeah, that's not gonna work. And I actually will be using this truck. I will. Where's this spot that, like, we always go to for the game? Oops. Oh no. Come on. can't find the spot that I always go to that, like, I think this is it? Oh, it'll do. Dang, so this, oh, let's put it in 4-wheel drive. Yee, that was close. I think we need to bump up, well, this is a max, no! You gotta be kidding me. Is there any way to get out of here? I'm gonna try to crawl up this. No, I'm just gonna reset. I don't care. It's not a roleplay video. Speaking of roleplay videos, I was going to do one today, but I couldn't, like, get a perfect map for it, so that is going to be a future video, probably next week or tomorrow or something. Not tomorrow, because I have plans. You know, schoolwork. Well, this is a pretty cool build. I might have copied it off of somebody. I might have. But we don't have to talk about that, okay, guys? You don't have to talk about it. Come on. Man, we're rolling that coal. Dang. I think this type of truck is like perfect for rock crawling though, because it's not too long, it's not too short. It's almost perfect, and single cab makes it look cool. Let's go in first person view. Oops, did not mean to do that. First person. Now, if only those lines weren't in the windshield. Literally. That would be nice, but no. Well, I'm going to end the video there, guys. And make sure you check out, well, of course you are. Okay, so I'll catch you guys probably next time next week. See ya!